here we go. As promised, the revelation of Monday. Letters on its way. Reply. So this is, I received a communique from Marston, the law-breaking bailiffs who think they're police officers who can arrest people. What the hell is that? Get off. Thank you for contacting us, blah, blah, blah. We confirm that we have escalated your correspondence onto our client for their perusal. I don't know what that means. Escalated your correspondence. Our client, this is a funny bit. Our client has advised, Mr. Dacres is interpreting the law. He is quoting incorrectly, and that you can proceed as per your procedures. So they want the money. Well, God forbid you should interpret the law. I mean, that's what judges do every day. Never mind. Quoting, I'm not quite sure what I'm quoting incorrectly. Is it that I was told the case wasn't on, so I didn't go? Or is it that your main witness for the prosecution, Chris Green, was such a coward he couldn't be bothered turning up? Which the CPS then lied about to say he hadn't got the notice to attend court. I don't know. Either way, you're all acting completely without licence now. It's just a little bit different from when the coppers kept coming round, because at that point I wasn't sure that the arrests were unlawful until much later on. But in this case, we know you're all law-breaking pieces of shit. We are instructed to enforce warrants immediately and to collect full payment. Well, actually, what the court said, if indeed the court did say this and you just didn't make it up, is that you can proceed as per your procedures. You haven't been instructed to enforce warrants at all, and I don't know how many you've got either, because you said warrants. I thought there was just one unlawful warrant. Maybe there's several. Well, we know they use the same one twice. That's allowed as well for two different things. As long as you've got a warrant, you can just use that for anything, apparently. So they've lied there. We are, however, able to allow 14 days from the date of this letter to pay. Well, you see, technically the law says you have to wait 14 days. So you're not really allowing it, are you? I mean, I've said it before, it's amazing the rules that these guys do pay attention to, because they break every other fucking rule. They got warrants with fucking incorrect dates of birth on them, and they fucking don't charge or arrest people for the summons them to court. And then they change that story 4 times. But just every now and again they obey this random law. It's just fucking incredible. If the warrant remains unpaid, an enforcement agent will attend your premises to enforce the warrant and confirm your circumstances. Now, I don't know which he's going to do first. I mean, is he there to confirm my circumstances or enforce the warrant? I'm not sure about that one, guys. When an enforcement agent attends your premises, you will incur additional charges. Well, I don't know why, because you just post letters, and that incurs additional charges, apparently, just posting a letter. Because stamps apparently cost 75 quid now. I better be careful, I'll get a copyright warning like I did the last one. Please be aware that your goods may be at risk if information you have supplied is inaccurate. I don't recall supplying you with any fucking information. I can't imagine why my goods would be at risk if I did. I don't have goods, I have possessions. That's the first thing. Information you have supplied is inaccurate or payment is not made. Not signed, of course, and I'm pretty sure that's a made-up name. But if you want to contact Alexandra Marcus at Marston, the phone number is 0333 320 1822. Or you can fax them on 01992. Who's got faxes anymore? I don't put an email address in, you see, because I don't want to get abusive emails. You can fax them on 01992 803 001. And the address for all you keen letter writers out there is Marston Group, P.O. Box 12019 Epping, CM169EB. Right, so the court is now corrupt. The proof is on this channel. All the other videos I've done, obviously, most of the more recent ones. So the court is now corrupt. They're now sending bailiffs out on unlawful warrants in the full knowledge that they're unlawful, which nullifies all the bailiffs' insurance for everything. If they're in a car crash, technically their vehicle insurance is null and void because they're acting unlawfully. They really must hate the fucking employees, mustn't they? Well, thank you for that, Alexander Marcus, who doesn't sign letters, presumably because you're made up and you don't exist. Oh well. See what we'll see.